Hey, if you're looking for some easy mushroom recipes, then you ought to try this. Today, we're gonna make stuffed mushrooms in Indo Italian style. These are the ingredients required for the dish: potatoes, onion, mushrooms, and cashews. It's an unusual combination of ingredients and it tastes so good. To a pot of high heat, add some water, a teaspoon of salt, bring it to simmer, add two medium sized peeled and chopped potatoes and cook this for about 15 minutes. Once the potatoes are soft and mushy, transfer it to a bowl and mash it. To a pot, add some water, a teaspoon of salt, bring it to simmer, add 2 cups of button mushrooms. Cook this for about 5 minutes and transfer it to a plate. You can save this mushroom broth in a container to make curries and soups. We're gonna use the mushroom stem to make filling, so gently remove the stem from its cap. Now coarsely chop them and combine it with mashed potatoes. Now we're gonna add in 1 chopped onion, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. For crunchy texture, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of roasted and chopped cashew nuts. You can substitute with roasted almonds or peanuts. Give it a mix. You can scoop out the gills if you don't need it. I'm not gonna remove it because why not? Let it be. Now fill up the mushroom caps with the potato stuff. We're gonna fry these mushrooms on a pan with a tablespoon of oil on medium-high heat. Give it a flip and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Ta-da! Indian style stuffed mushrooms are ready. Do you know that you can be creative in making this dish? You can infuse Italian style and make this dish even more exotic. You can use grated cheese, chopped olives, jalapenos, cottage cheese, and much more. Let me show you another way of doing it. I'm gonna fill up the mushroom caps with some grated cheese, cover it up with potato stuff, and bury them up in the breadcrumbs. Now heat up a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Shallow fry these patties for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Yay, it's done. Looks so delicious. For presentation purpose, I have drizzled some roasted sesame seeds and chili flakes on top, just to impress you guys. It really goes well with ketchup or mayonnaise. If you try this dish, post it on Instagram and tag us. See you all in the next video. Bye guys.